I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're having trouble with payments not going through on Monese, follow these steps to resolve the issue quickly. Step 1. Check your balance. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the eshrak.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 2. Verify payment details. Double check the payment details you entered, including the recipient's account number and any reference information. A small typo can lead to a failed transaction. Step 3. Update app version. Ensure that you are using the latest version of the Monese app. Outdated apps can sometimes lead to glitches that prevent payments from processing. Step 4. Check for service outages. Visit the Monese website or their social media pages to see if there are any known service outages affecting payments. Sometimes the issue is on their end. Step 5. Contact customer support. If none of the above steps work, reach out to Monese customer support for assistance. They can provide specific insights into your account or transaction issues. I hope these steps help you get your payments back on track. Don't hesitate to reach out if you have any more questions.